Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I don't see headlines like this for many other crypto projects. XRP to power all financial transactions in Japan by 2025. From the article, the buzz around XRP payments has reached new heights as Japan sets its sights on adopting XRP for all financial transactions by 2025. This bold move, reported by the Bit Journal, has placed Japan at the forefront of the global shift towards digital currencies. Japan's decision to integrate XRP as a nationwide payment method underscores its commitment to innovation and efficiency in the financial sector. Japan's embrace of XRP payments marks a significant step towards digital transformation. The country's leaders have recognized the potential of XRP to revolutionize how transactions are conducted, ensuring faster, more secure payments. By making XRP the cornerstone of its financial ecosystem, Japan is setting an example that could inspire other nations to follow suit in embracing digital currencies. And from Sunday, Ripple is partnering with the Dubai International Finance Center to enhance blockchain and crypto innovation in the UAE, focusing on early-stage companies and scale-ups. This collaboration is seen as a significant milestone for the DIFC, embracing its role as the global hub for talent and tech. Now let's discuss the elephant in the room. Why isn't XRP mooning, Uncle Frank? All right, let's get some clarity. XRP news today. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin draws SEC's attention again. Key points from the article: XRP gains 0.55% on Saturday, August 10th, closing at 0.5840. News of Ripple testing its RLUSD stablecoin drew interest after the SEC claimed it would be an unauthorized crypto at launch. On Sunday, August 11th, SEC versus crypto case-related news and SEC activity will remain focal points. XRP steadies but remains below 60 cents. On Saturday, August 10th, XRP gained 0.55%, closing at 0.5840 after sliding by 5.91% on Friday, August 9th. The broader crypto market advanced by 0.33% on Saturday, rising to a market cap of $2.088 trillion. Ripple verdict resonates. XRP and Ripple remained a talking point following the final judgment in the SEC versus Ripple case. Judge Annalisa Torres ordered Ripple to pay a civil penalty of $125 million for selling unregistered XRP to institutional investors. Additionally, Judge Torres granted the SEC's request for an injunction prohibiting XRP sales to institutional investors. The court verdict coincided with Ripple announcing the testing of its stablecoin RLUSD. Stay with me. RLUSD testing begins. On Friday, August 9th, Ripple announced the start of testing its stablecoin RLUSD, stating, testing, RLUSD. We're excited to share that Ripple USD is now in private beta on XRP Ledger and Ethereum mainnet. RLUSD has not yet received regulatory approval and therefore is not available for purchase or trading. Please be cautious of scammers who claim they have or can distribute Ripple USD. However, the SEC has warned that the launch of RLUSD would violate U.S. securities laws. RLUSD and the U.S. SEC. In April of 2024, the SEC filed its remedies-related reply brief, reinforcing its case for a punitive penalty and injunction against Ripple for violating U.S. securities laws. The SEC's reply brief referenced Ripple's plans to launch a stablecoin, labeling it the issuance of a new unregistered crypto asset. Pro-crypto lawyer Bill Morgan commented on Ripple's announcement, saying, Ripple states that RLUSD has not yet received regulatory approval, but Ripple is seeking regulatory approval. This is a big deal. I can think of certain well-known stablecoins that do not enjoy any regulatory approval. The SEC and Ripple could enter into another legal battle if the SEC disapproves RLUSD, which could play a significant part in Ripple's U.S. expansion plans following the injunction prohibiting XRP sales to institutional investors. As XRP investors consider the prospects of a Ripple stablecoin, uncertainty about the SEC's plans for an appeal lingers. Okay, so we've heard the bad news. Now here's the potential good news, not investment advice or advisor. News of the SEC approving RLUSD and the SEC ending its plans to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling could boost XRP demand. In July of 2023, XRP surged to 0.9327 in response to the programmatic sales ruling. However, fears of an appeal against the sales ruling dragged XRP below 45 cents in August of 2023. So at the time of this recording on Sunday morning, I've got XRP at 0.5753, down 3.34%. Full disclosure, this is my average cost, and I've owned this coin for years. Now, at this price, XRP is still up over 28% for the month. I would watch levels 55, 50 cents, and even 45 cents going forward. And here's the bottom line from the article we reviewed. Investors should remain alert, as appeals could adversely impact XRP price trends. It's times like these I try to remind myself, Bitcoin and XRP are cryptocurrencies, but XRP is cheaper, faster, more scalable, and environmentally friendlier. Designed as a global payment system, Bitcoin is primarily used as a store of value and a medium of exchange. XRP was designed for cross-border payments, but is also popular with investors. Is XRP better than Ethereum? Behind the name, Ripple is an entire ecosystem with many applications, where the XRP ledger is the blockchain that powers XRP. People have always appreciated XRP, as some consider it to allow better advancements, as it is cheaper and faster than transactions with other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now here's a piece about my other favorite, Archer Aviation. From Deadline, air taxis may someday be your flight to Olympics, airport, football, USC. The Los Angeles mayor's no cars edict for the 2028 Olympics didn't mention flights. Archer Aviation this week announced plans to launch an LA network of electric air taxis that it claims will be operational by 2026. The goal is for passengers to go to a nearby vertiport and then fly 10 to 20 minutes in Archer's midnight aircraft to their destination of choice within the network. Archer's planned network includes vertiports at LA's International Airport, Hollywood Park, USC, Santa Monica, Hollywood Burbank, Long Beach, and Van Nuys. I think the predatory short hedge funds are making a grave mistake here. Archer has 347 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed 13s with the SEC. These institutions hold a total of 155,448,000 shares. That's over 45.58%. Now, at the time of this recording, according to the New York Stock Exchange, short interest stands at 61,110,000 shares. Short interest ratio has risen to 7 days to cover. Short interest as a percentage of float, nearly 30%, 29.66% according to the New York and Capital IQ. Off-exchange short volume ratio, 71.49% according to FINRA. That includes dark pool volume. Here's my current Swan Watch list. Under geopolitical, of course, we still have Russia-Ukraine, potential China-Taiwan conflict, Israel-Hamas continues, and now you could add Hezbollah, and potentially Iran to that equation. North Korea is always a wild card, and I consider the 2024 election itself to be a potential Swan event. Under systemic and financial, the U.S. credit card debt crisis and the commercial real estate crisis not going away. Unrealized losses at U.S. banks and the Fed. We see 282 U.S. banks at risk. There's the BRICS de-dollarization trend, and of course, the $35 trillion U.S. debt spiral. Ryan Cohen could make an announcement about the future of GameStop. We could also see another Roaring Kitty post. There's the possible appeals in the SEC versus Ripple case, but we could also see the approval of the RLUSD. There's what I call a derivative tsunami, always out there, and Elon Musk could debut his new peer-to-peer payment platform on X, formerly known as Twitter. We could get the rate cut in September from the Fed, or they could be delayed by some inflationary news. And of course, there's the hidden, hedgy, over-leverage, securities sold, yet not purchased, potentially billions of unreconciled synthetic shares out there. And I finish off this list with the China-Japan banking crises. Guys, be on notice. Wall Street's attention this week will shift to inflation from the labor market, with the Producer Price Index and CPI readings for July due on Tuesday and Wednesday. Also on tap will be retail sales data on Thursday. The non-farm payrolls report earlier this month sharply upended the narrative around monetary policy, stoking fears about a recession in the U.S. and sparking concerns that the Fed Reserve has waited too long to cut interest rates. The second quarter earnings season will also continue to get attention, with many heavyweight names scheduled to report. These include retail behemoths Walmart, Home Depot, networking giant Cisco, Chinese e-commerce major Alibaba, and the world's largest maker of farm equipment, Deere. So, Uncle Frank, where do you stand on the recession debate? I look at the data and I make up my own mind. On the left, unemployment has risen steadily over the past year. On the right, the U.S. economy grows at faster than expected pace in second quarter. A recession is defined as a significant, widespread, and prolonged downturn in economic activity. Common rule of thumb is that 2 consecutive quarters of negative gross domestic product growth indicate a recession. What does the chart on the right tell you? So what should we be looking for this week? Guys, it's all about the VIX volatility and then CPI Wednesday. A whipsaw week has markets on edge for what's ahead. Last week, the S&P 500 saw both its worst and best single-day performances of the year. That's not exactly normal. Wall Street strategists warn market volatility is not over yet. Traders bet on wild swings with CPI print set to test the market. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.